In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brainstorm new ideas using Notion AI. Whether you're working on a project at work or planning personal endeavors, Notion AI offers an incredible toolset that can help you map out fresh and creative ideas with ease. So, let's dive right in and make sure you can utilize Notion AI to its fullest potential. First, let's open Notion AI. Once you have it on your screen, locate the option related to brainstorming. It's typically an intuitive process, but if it's your first time exploring Notion, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will make the brainstorming process smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, the goal is to get your creative juices flowing, so comfort with the platform is key. Once you're all set, it's time to begin brainstorming. This initial step involves an open-ended search to list all the possible ideas you have for your project. Don't worry about organizing these ideas just yet. Quantity over quality is what we're aiming for now. The beauty of using AI in this process is that it can suggest many more angles and considerations that you might not have thought of on your own. Give yourself the freedom to explore any and all avenues with the AI's assistance. As your list of ideas begins to grow, you might feel the need to categorize them. Notion AI lets you tag and organize your ideas based on themes, feasibility, potential impact, or any criteria that suits your project. Creating categories will help you see patterns and connections between the different ideas, thus providing clearer directions on which ideas to expand upon further. Having categorized your ideas, now comes the process of refinement. Notion AI can assist here by helping you filter out the less promising ideas, hone in on the ones with potential, and identify how they can be developed further. As you evaluate each idea, consider its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. This SWOT analysis will give you a well-rounded view of each idea's viability. Once you've refined your list, it's important to highlight the top ideas that stand out. These are the ones you should focus on developing into actionable plans. Notion AI can be particularly useful here, offering templates and organizational features to flesh out these plans into detailed outlines or projects. You can incorporate timelines, assign tasks, and set deadlines, turning each concept into a structured plan ready for execution. Finally, as you go through this creative process, remember to take breaks and revisit your ideas with fresh eyes. Sometimes stepping away and coming back with a new perspective will yield even more innovative thoughts. Encourage yourself to experiment with different approaches, and don't shy away from revising your ideas until they resonate with your vision. There you have it, your guide to brainstorming new ideas using Notion AI. With these steps, you can methodically expand your creativity and effectively transform your thoughts into structured and actionable plans. Happy brainstorming!